This short clip is a follow-up to the issues that have been happening at Lakeshore Drive in Belmont. Uh, the first time I was not able to engage navigation on autopilot. This time I am. I am currently on navigation on autopilot, headed to the Belmont ramp. Okay, right here, I get a warning saying navigation on autopilot is going to disengage before the ramp. It has now disengaged, and I am on autopilot, but I'm going to have to manually ramp off Belmont. Okay, right here, navigation on autopilot re-engages just before the ramp. I'd already planned on shutting everything off, so I shut it off. It also had the gray line saying that it was going to go off the ramp. I didn't follow through because I shut everything down. I don't know exactly what it was going to do, but that was a bit odd.